Hey, it's Jacqueline. I'm recording this for you to help me make chimney sweeps. These are the things you'll need. You'll need 4 white-handled blue bristle brooms from Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, behind Pier 1 Imports in Central Park. You're going to need scissors, utility knife. I have 2 kinds of pliers and glue gun, which I have forgotten the last 3 takes. You're going to need to make 3 cardboard circles measuring 4.5 inches and 3 small circles measuring 3 inches. So yes, 4 brooms, 3 of each size circle. Once you have all of your supplies together, you are going to take your pliers and pull out the blue bristles from the bottom of your broom, and it comes with this metal ring around it, which makes your life a lot easier for this project. I do it one at a time just because it's easier for me, but Patrick was real helpful in pulling them all out and then bent the circles closed for me. So if you have help, sometimes it's easier to have all the things pulled out at once. Once you pull one out, you're going to put a dollop of glue on it. And then you're going to put it in one of the corrugated holes on your cardboard. And you're going to slip it either in the top one or the bottom one. You're going to hold it there. Make sure you slip it in really well. You're going to hold it there for a minute so that the glue hardens up. And then you're going to pull another one. And on this second one, what ends up happening is you have one row that kind of lays flat and another row that is bent up. You put glue on it, and I'm going to put this one right above the one that I just did, or right beside and above. And this time when I put it in, I'm going to put my finger between the 2 bristles, and this one's going to be bent up a little bit. So as it dries, it'll go up. So as you can see what ends up happening. I can't tell you how many are going to go around the circle because I counted different ones each time. So just make it so it looks full like this. Okay? So once you do that, you're going to take your small circle and you're going to cut a square inside of it. And we're not going to have much time, so you're just going to cut a square in it. And what's going to end up happening, this square is going to have to be bigger than this, but you get the idea. What's going to end up happening is we're going to break apart the casing for the broom. Okay? So this is going to be hot glued on here. And then you're going to cut, I do. If you have somebody at home that's really strong, they can do it without this. But you're going to cut around the screw part of the broom handle because we're going to need that for storing and transporting purposes. It's much easier to unscrew the handle. And then you're going to take your pliers, and this can be hard. You're going to take your, there, and it pops off. And then you can clean up the edges if you would like, these square edges. But anyway, this is going to fit inside of your square hole or rectangular hole. My suggestion would be to hot glue this down, fill this in with hot glue, and then press this into the hole. Make sure that this piece is touching the bottom square, bottom circle, okay? And it ends up looking like this, if you can see, which I'm sure you can. Once that's done, you're going to start filling in the top circle, just to add some fullness to it. And you're going to do the same thing. A dollop of glue. And they don't have to go in every hole, so just around a little bit. And put it in and hold it. They are very rough on these props. So please make sure that they're sturdy. But this is what it ends up looking like when it is done. And then all we have to do is paint the handles, which we have a volunteer to do, and we screw the handle in, and it is our chimney sweep. That's it. If everyone can make 3, that will cut our workload in half while we are waiting for the final props list. If you have any questions, you know how to call me, 540-424-4244. Have fun. I will talk to you soon.